Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the laptop camera is functional and permitted for apps. Once done, open the camera app or install a lightweight QR scanner app or navigate to a reputable browser-based scanner. Make sure to grant camera permission when prompted and close video apps that might block access. You begin scanning immediately. Position your laptop so the QR code fills most of the camera frame. This gets you into the scanning state quickly and avoids wasted setup time. You now focus on capturing a clean image so the scanner can decode it. Center the QR code in the frame and hold the laptop steady. A distance of about 6 to 12 inches typically lets the camera autofocus. Once focused, the scanner will decode automatically. If it doesn't, increase ambient light or raise screen brightness. If the code is on another device or in a file, use the app's Import Photo option to select the image. This ensures reliable decoding without guesswork. You finish by reviewing the decoded result and taking the appropriate action. Click the link if it looks safe, copy the text, or save contact details directly. Make sure to verify the URL domain before proceeding. This prevents phishing. If you need to paste data elsewhere, use the copy function the scanner provides. If scanning fails, clean the camera lens, increase contrast or brightness, or import a higher resolution image. These quick fixes resolve most common scanning problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.